Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing about how parents can make summer vacations useful and interesting for kids. Making summer vacations both useful and interesting for kids involves a balance of fun, education, and creativity. Here are some ideas. Educational activities. 1. Reading programs. Enroll kids in summer reading programs at local libraries or create a reading challenge at home with rewards. 2. STEM projects. Engage kids with science, technology, engineering, and math projects. Kits for building robots, conducting simple experiments, or coding are great options. 3. Educational trips. Visit museums, zoos, historical sites, or science centers. 4. Online courses. Sign up for online courses or educational apps that focus on subjects your kids are interested in. Creative activities. 1. Arts and crafts. Set up a craft corner at home where kids can paint, draw, or work on DIY projects. 2. Music and dance. Enroll them in music or dance classes, or have fun at home with karaoke sessions and dance-offs. 3. Writing projects. Encourage kids to write stories, keep a journal, or start a blog. Physical activities. 1. Sports camps. Sign kids up for sports camps or community leagues. 2. Outdoor adventures. Plan hiking, biking, or camping trips. 3. Swimming. Spend time at the local pool or beach, and consider swimming lessons. Life skills. 1. Cooking and baking. Teach kids to cook and bake simple recipes. 2. Gardening. Start a small garden and let kids take care of plants. 3. Household chores. Assign age-appropriate chores to teach responsibility. Social activities. 1. Playdates. Organize playdates with friends and neighbors. 2. Community events. Attend local festivals, fairs, or community gatherings. 3. Volunteer work. Involve kids in volunteering opportunities that are age-appropriate. Structured time. 1. Daily schedules. Create a flexible daily schedule that balances free play, learning, and rest. 2. Goal setting. Help kids set and achieve personal goals over the summer. Screen time management. 1. Educational shows. Limit screen time to educational shows and programs. 2. Interactive games. Choose interactive and educational video games. Fun and relaxation. 1. Family time. Plan regular family game nights, movie nights, or outings. 2. Exploration. Allow kids to explore new hobbies or interests at their own pace. Combining these activities will help ensure that summer vacations are productive, enjoyable, and memorable for kids. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.